Hello dear, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can apply for jobs. First of all, you need to come to Google and type whatisthesalary.com. Once you write this and hit enter, the website will open right in front of you. Next, simply look for the jobs options on the site and click on it. As soon as you click on it, scroll down a little bit and you will see various jobs available. For example, housekeeping jobs in New York, caregiver jobs in France with visa sponsorships, along with many other options. So whichever jobs you want to apply for, just look at it and click on it. Once the job page opens, scroll down slowly. You can read through the details if you want. As you reach the very end of the page, you will find an option that says apply for job. Just click right there and you can easily apply for the job. This was a very easy method to apply for jobs. If you need any other information, you can go to the home section like this. Check IT salaries, explore careers, or read our guide. You will find everything from A to Z right here. So see you in a new video. Thank you.